Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking here at Dutchy HQ. Today I'm going to be doing a cast iron Wednesday. I'm going to be doing the May challenge, which is Cinco de Mayo. So I'll be cooking Mexican. So for the first part of this dish, we're going to make a coriander and lime dip. And these are the 5 simple ingredients we're going to be using. So first into the blender is a handful of coriander or cilantro, quarter cup of olive oil, eight teaspoons of lime juice, 1 chopped garlic clove, one chopped red chilli. I'm just going to use half it to begin with and just taste it, see what it's like for heat. Get the lid on and we get this blended. So that's the first part made. So we're going to move on now to make the second part of this dish, and it's esquite, which is Mexican sweet corn salad. As with all the main parts of this dishes I'm cooking today, it's leftover. So this sweet corn is left over from a previous dish I've made. So I'm just going to utilise that. I'm just going to run the knife down and take the kernels off. Once I've got the kernels off, we're just going to get a small skillet heating up. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then we're going to get the sweet corn in. For this, we're going to add 1 chopped garlic clove, 1 chopped red chilli, and half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. This is going to be quite hot, this is. So we're just going to mix it in. I'm just going to let this cook out for a couple of minutes to cook the rawness out of the chilies and the garlic. Once we've put that out, we're just going to add 1 handful of chopped coriander or cilantro. And we're going to go in with 1 tablespoon of lime juice. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, or you can use Mexican creme. combined. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of Cotija cheese, or I've used Feta because obviously I can't get that here in the UK. So I'm just going to melt the cheese down. When we serve this, we're just going to sprinkle some feta cheese on the top and a little bit of chopped coriander. That's the second dish complete. Right, we're going to move on to the tacos themselves. I've got 1 beef rib here that's been left over from a previous cook. So I'm just going to run a knife down it and take the meat off. I will put a link up above showing how I cook my beef rib. Once all the meat's off, I'm just going to cut up into slices. Yeah, I'd like to thank Dee from Native Tears for setting these monthly challenges for Cast Iron Wednesdays, and also Sean from Shovelhead 8 who helps her. So the beef's now cut up ready. We get our small skillet back on the heat. Tablespoon of oil. We can get the beef in and get the beef warmed through. Start to get the beef warmed through. I'm going to add some sauce. Now I'm not going to make a special sauce. This is a sauce I had over from the pulled chicken, and it's just simply 1 cup of chicken stock, 2 tablespoons of beef barbecue sauce, and 1 teaspoon of chipotle paste. Let that thicken up, and that's the beef done. Next I've got some pulled chicken that I've got left over again. This is with the same sauce as it's adding the beef, and all I'm going to do is just warm it through. I will put links up above on how to do the pulled chicken. So that's it, done. So to serve, we've got taco cases with shredded lettuce, tomato and red onion in. We've got our esquite with a bit of fresh feta on top and coriander, and our coriander and lime dip. So there we have it, folks. That's my beef and chicken tacos. Try a little bit of the coriander and lime dip. Very nice beef flavour, a little bit of chipotle heat. That coriander and lime dip really just puts a little bit of a zing onto it. As always, folks, in these times, stay safe, stay home and stay cooking.